Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to repair your Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type or search File Explorer and hit enter. Go to the View tab in this section. One click and click or select this option, show hidden items, mark this option and go to this PC, and select local disk, double click, select users, select computer. In my case is Alice, the name of the user. Double click and select app data, select local, select package and browse this folder. Browse Microsoft Edge This is the folder Microsoft.EC app. This symbol 8WEKGB3D8BBWE, and right click and select delete and close. Go to the description below and copy the next comment. Go to the start menu and select PowerShell. Microsoft Windows PowerShell. Right click and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes and paste the command. Go to the title bar, edit and paste and hit enter. To apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select power and restart. Login in your PC. And open up the Microsoft Edge web browser. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.